doing it, aren't we, buddy?
We're really doing it.
Excuse the dirty windshield. I told my wife to clean it, but she don't listen to me. She don't listen to anything I say. Yep, that's the truth.
Traveling good.
I didn't give you permission to put me in your video. Don't do it! I'm joking.
Do it.
Well, you gotta have the star of the show in the show tag.
Run all over the place.
Do that, you're distracted. It's a drum.
Drum, the drum, drum, drum.
A drum for my drummer boy.
That's right.
Man,
Wow, you hooked him good.
I did.
What do people call when I'm on vacation?
Boogie in.
Now we're done. Beautiful. There we go. It's a pretty fish, Carl. Oh, I got one. There it is.
Right.
Got another little baby.
Probably about 7 inches though.
These are little.
You want to measure?
Paper mouth. There we go, little white crappie. Little fella. It's a pretty fish, Carl. Okay, well, my first crappie of the trip. Let's let him go. Bye, little fella. Here we go, guys. That's actually my first fish on an underspin. Oh my gosh, I am the king of the little fish today.
Starting off small, gonna work our way up.
I've gotten a little bass, a little bitty. All three are babies. Look, I'm in the nursery. That's a little yellow bass there, guys. That's a pretty fish, Carl.
Walt, Matt, Don, anyone who's fished with Mike. He said he's the little fish today.
Oh,
I would say that you normally catch the little fish.
that's a pretty fish,
Not
Carl.
exactly what we're looking for.
Try it again,
Not
Troy.
the fish we want, but it's the fish
It's the
we
fish
got.
we got.
Mike's gonna.
Let's see what he got here.
Oh yeah.
No, bring him on.
Rigo Outdoor Adventures. What you got? Let's see. That's the fun of fishing. You never know what you got.
Holy cow, he's fighting hard.
Big old blue tap. We're not throwing this one back. That one's gonna get eaten.
Okay.
Where are you going? You're the camera lady.
Yeah.
I was getting closer to you.
I'm moving out so I can.
Grab them by the mouth. They don't bite hard. There you go. Nicely done. Look at that, guys.
Oh yeah, on my ACC crappie stick.
All right.
Look at that.
Woo!
My 6'6".
And that's a pretty heavy looking fish. So that ACC crappie stick stood up to the challenge, didn't it?
Yeah. Big old channel cat.
Nice.
That's a pretty fish, Carl.
Little bass. Great net job there.
It's a pretty catfish, Carl.
Okay. Do not stick me. Do not stick
Oh, stick him.
me. Thank you. All right. Well, that's a good sign. We're not even in here for a few seconds and got a fish. This one will be joining its friend. Thank you, Mikey. I did not see that.
Well, I watched it bump once, then I saw it start swimming sideways. I was like, there's a fish.
Good job, Annie.
Yay!
I looked up, I was like, your bobber's gone.
Whoop, whoop.
The crappie queen.
Oh, it's bleeding.
See, it's
All
already
right.
spit its eggs out. See how? Yeah, see, we're at the tail end of the...
Yeah. So is it the right? Did you?
Probably.
Great job, Annie. High
Good
five.
job.
It's about time, isn't it? I'm gonna throw this one back over there too. I just looked up and was like, man, we ain't catching nothing.
Well, I was counting them because that's what I do in my head. And I said, wait, we're one short.
It's good.
It is almost, Annie, that's 11 inches.
11-inch crappie. Good job, honey. Yay! The crappie queen got one. Diddle-diddle-doo-doo-doo.
Oh Lord, he's big. That almost looks like a blue
That's a
one.
blue
That's a
cat.
Beautiful.
the one you
Great
wanna
job,
see.
Mike.
We got a blue cat.
Yep.
Okay.
Here's your pliers, baby.
Big old blue cat.
You know, it was going so fast, I didn't know where.
I'm like,
It's over
my
there.
bobber's
It's over
gone.
there. It's like
Oh,
over
good. The
there.
hook just literally fell right out of its
Oh,
mouth.
excellent.
Okay.
That's good teamwork, though. We saw where the poles were, where the anchors
Blue
were.
cat.
Oh! Ah! Shoot, I got a bite as I was pulling it up.
Yeah, there he goes.
Right
He's swimming
there.
back to the bottom.
Shoot!
Right in front of
I
the boat.
would have waited just a few more minutes. I'm gonna
Right
put
in
it
front
right
of the
back
boat.
there. Yep, right there. Dang!
That's funny.
Ah.
Here, hold it, honey, so it looks like you caught it.
No, I want you to catch it. I want you to be on your camera.
Got a little white bass. Yay! All right.
Woo-hoo! I got something to bite finally.
Got you a nice meow meow.
It's a baby meow meow. It's going back.
It's a kitten.
It's a kitten.
Oh.
I got a kitten.
Is it talking to you?
Yeah, here you go.
Going route,
I'll let you send them back.
route.
Get a little video of that. Good job, Andy.
That was my
Ready?
first cast out there.
Fish in the dock, not such a bad idea.
Little channel cat. Bye, meow meow.
No, I was jigging underneath the pontoon. I caught me a slab crappie.
That's a slab, baby.
Oh, that's disgusting.
They don't have a lot of food to eat around here. They're awful skinny, aren't they? Awful skinny. Easy.
That's a white bass. That's a white bass.
White bass.
Oh! Wow. Okay.
Came right off. Right off.
It popped
But she
right
got
off.
one.
Pick that up, guys.
Woohoo! First fish.
Is my light blinking up here, my recording?
Yes, you
Okay.
are recording, honey. I got my first.
Good job, honey.
It's,
Annie broke the ice. She got a
Side scales are sharp.
white bass.
First fish of the trip.
we're not done.
Yeah.
All right, first fish.
Good job, honey. Huh? Oh, got him.
All right, come on, baby.
Mikey's got one.
Wait a minute.
Oh, some things never change.
What's that giant you got?
Some things never change.
There you go.
That's awesome. That one you probably don't want.
Hold on a second.
That's actually a little hybrid, isn't it?
My fish, my husband's fish. What?
That one was reeling it back or did it?
Yeah, I was reeling it in slow.
That's a nice fish.
He's fighting good.
Oh, that's the big one of the day.
Oh gosh, it is. It's heavy. Now, honey, why'd you have to go get a bigger fish than me?
Because I want to.
Because you want to. Oh, that's bigger than Jim's too, I think.
All right.
As far as wide.
It's am I recording?
Yes.
All right, there he is. Another white bass. Black and chartreuse, second one of the day. Had one hit. earlier, missed it, of course, not paying attention. Yeah, there we go. I should let him go.
Fish.
I should let him go. Really? No. You got one?
Oh, I pulled it right out of its mouth. See that fish right there? That's
your pole.
Yeah, I know.
Because the structure's right there.
Yeah, but I see those fish right there.
You see dead people.
No, I do not.
Why don't you see dead people, honey? Huh?
You catch a fish right now, I'm gonna punch you.
Oh, I hope I get one. Hope I get a 14-inch crappie right there. I'm gonna get one, honey.
Probably will, because I was waiting on mine to float over that way, and it finally did. And he picked it up and pulled it out of the way.
Why would you do such a thing?
Because he wants to get the big crappie and not me.
I
it is what it is. I do the same thing.
Hey.
Oh, come on, come on.
All right, the crappie queen does
Strikes
it again.
Woohoo!
Lake Weiss, Alabama. She got
On
the
our
first.
anniversary trip.
That's right. First crappie in the boat. Oh, that's right around 11 and a half, 12 inches. Beautiful crappie. That's a block crappie. Beautiful.